Okay. This is one of the challenging question that's sent by one of my student, Safrina. Okay, this is our chapter 2, Physics Form 4. Okay, let's go through with the question. A tortoise can move with a speed of 10 centimeter per second, while a rabbit can move 10 times faster. In a race, both of them started at the same time, but the rabbit stopped to rest for 3 minutes. The tortoise wins by a distance of 10 centimeter from the rabbit. How long is the race? Okay, this question, I would say it's not so easy. It's quite challenging. Alright, we need to illustrate this problem first, okay, before uh, we understand the question. Okay, we try to illustrate the situation given here. Alright, so first of all, let's say this is the starting point of the T for tortoise, R for the rabbit lah. Okay, they start at the same point, and this is, let's say, the ending point. Okay, so the end point. So let's say the rabbit goes so fast until very close, it take rest here. Okay, the tortoise, however, already win the race. Okay, the first idea that we can get. Alright, what are the other idea that we have? Okay, so we know that the tortoise speed is 10 centimeter per second. We need to change it to the meter. Better change everything to the SI unit. Easy for us to calculate. So 10 centimeter per second, so 0.1 meter per second lah. Right, tortoise speed. And then only that is the only thing they gave us. Okay, then they tell rabbit speed is 10 times faster. While rabbit is 10 times faster means you multiply the 10. Alright, so it will be 1 meter per second. You multiply 10. Okay, tortoise 0.1, you multiply 10, 1 meter per second. Okay, the velocity of the rabbit. And tortoise win the rabbit by 10 centimeter. That means the rabbit to the end point is 10 centimeter. Or I change it to meter, 0.1 meter. Okay, so the total distance is, let's say this is the x, the distance. So the total distance is x plus 0.1 meter. Okay, the total distance here is x plus 0.1 meter. How about the time? Okay, we have velocity, we have the distance, okay, or I call it displacement. Okay, how about the time? Let's say the tortoise take time t. Up to here, going here, you take time t. So how about the rabbit? Okay, so we need to think a little bit crazy here. Okay, so they tell that rabbit stop to rest for 3 minutes. That means rabbit already stopped before the 3 minutes. So if let's say tortoise, it took t minutes or t seconds lah. Let me put it in seconds. Okay, so your rabbit should take how much? We need to think that way. Okay, so here the rabbit is resting 3 minutes. Okay, that means the distance that rabbit took up to here should be t minus 3 minutes. Do you all agree? Okay, because it's not reaching the final line yet, so up to the resting point. If the total time for the tortoise to finish the race is t, so rabbit should be t minus the 3 minutes, because it's 3 minutes away from the tortoise. Okay, so let's put this into a table now. So this is, let this to be tortoise, this to be the rabbit. Okay, we want to investigate kinematic into 3 dimension lah. What are the dimension involved in a kinematic? Kinematic means the movement lah. Okay, so displacement, time, and velocity. So velocity of tortoise, we know that 0.1 meter per second, and this one is 1 meter per second. The time taken for by tortoise is t, and the rabbit is 3 minus 3 minute. 3 minute, okay, I change it to second, means 180 second. Okay, and the displacement that tortoise covered is x plus 0.1, while the distance covered by the rabbit is just x meter. Okay, right, so from here we can create, we know that displacement is equal to v times t. Why I use displacement equal to vt? Because if I take velocity is displacement over time, I get a quotient. I don't want any fraction, I want linear. So I make s as a subject. So from here, for tortoise, the displacement is x plus 0.1 equals to the velocity 0.1 multiplied by t. And for rabbit, so equation number 1, for rabbit, your displacement equal to t minus 180 multiplied by 1. So x equal to t minus 180 times 1. Okay, just the same thing. Equation number 2, substitute 2 into 1. Okay, because you know your x here, this is your x1, so you can substitute inside this x. So what do you get? T minus 180 plus 0.1, okay, equal to 0.1 t. Okay, right, so let's arrange this. So if I arrange this, I'm getting t minus 0.1 t equal to negative 180 plus 0.1. Negative 180 plus 0.1 is negative 179.9. So I bring over here 179.9. So t minus 0.1, that means 1 minus 0.1. I'm getting 0.9t equal to 179.9. And t equal to 179.9 divided by 0.9. Okay, jawapan dia, T dia adalah 199.88. So if I were you, I will put 200. Okay, but according to this question, 199.9, they round off to 1 decimal point seconds. So jawapan dia adalah donkey. Soalan yang agak challenging, need a lot of illustration, and you need to solve by simultaneous equation. Okay, go through with it. Thank you.